Well, hello there. It's Paul Bradley from Richmond Car and Truck Center. I'm usually the guy that's behind the camera, but today I actually wanted to get in front of it so that I can show you this absolutely fantastic vehicle. This is a vehicle that some people my age are like, I would never drive that, but I'm here to tell you that as a dad, this vehicle is awesome. And here it is. This is the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Touring. Now, I could tell you things like it has a 3.6 liter V6 engine that's great for acceleration, getting on an interstate, but I actually want to focus on the things that makes this the ultimate family vehicle. I'm a family man. I want to show you my dad-approved features. First, let's talk about some of the power options here. Power side sliding door, left and right. Power rear lift gate, and a pleasant beeping noise to go with it. And remote start. Take a look at the interior. We've got seating for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kids or adults. Now you're probably saying, really? Adults in the back? Yep, I'm 5'11", and I've got enough room back here. Or drop the back seat down and have enough room for a run to Costco. But most of my time is going to be spent in the driver's seat. What? I still like to rock. So, what all can you do from the driver's seat? Make a phone call, set cruise control, get directions, play music from your phone, decide whether you want a cool breeze or to get a little toasty. And when you're backing up, see everything behind you. So, thanks for hanging out with me for a minute and checking out this 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. It's dad tested, dad approved.